No gold is not enough.
So you can see just now JOSA has released round one seat allotment. So you can first you have to go to the JOSA website, and on the left side if you see important information, you can print your logout choices here, and you can see the seat matrix and counseling schedule and all. So click here, and you will be taken to this interface where you need to enter your JEE Mains application number and password and security pin given here. So if you log in here, right? So you can see here seat allotment result, right, on the left. If press this, so if you see here this one of my friend, this is my one of my friend's account. You can see round one allotment is in the choice number 40, and the institute allot is IIIT Chittoor, and the program is computer science. So this is done. So this is, if you want to download this, you can come here, download allotment letter. This is called the seat allotment letter. If you press download now, this you can download from it here. So now let it be. So willingness of submission. So this is I Pinnalli Saicharan bearing this application number do undertaking. So like float, slide, freeze, you have to choose it here. Last year it was totally there in the offline, means we have to report to the nearest reporting center. After going to there, we have to verify our certificates. Then there we need to check the box like whether you are going to take float or slide or freeze. So this year totally it is online. View seat allotment result is done. So now we have to submit the willingness whether you are going to choose float, slide or freeze. If you complete that, after completing only you can go to upload documents. So if you see here, if I click upload documents, nothing is visible, right? So same thing with the seat acceptance fee. So step by step process. You can download allotment letter at any time. As you already viewed the seat allotment result, you can now choose the any of the three options: float or slide or freeze. And regarding these, no, I will be explaining in each and every step in detail in today's live. So please be stay tuned to my channel. Today we will be having live at 5:30. So I request, I'm expecting a huge response from your side in today's live. So after willingness, if you click this no, so you have to give your password and all that things. After submitting, the upload documents will be opened. So what are all the documents required also be shown there only. So these things you can do till 20th. So please don't hurry up and hurry up things, and don't get like confused, and don't do any mistake. So after uploading documents only you can pay the seat acceptance fee. So this is a totally step by step process. So first for today, just see the result, and you can download the allotment letter for your reference. So after all these things, you can log out from this portal.